Hi guys, we've been on a Stelrad factory tour and we're going to show you the 2-hour process that the radiators go through from raw material at the steel bay to a finished packaged product ready for delivery. So Stelrad get through 30,000 tonnes of raw steel each year, and this is where it all begins on the press line. Next, the radiator moves through to the electrode resistance welding, and this seals the seams to make it airtight, watertight. So now we move on to the final pressing stage, which prepares the radiator for the projector welder, and this is where both halves of the radiator are joined together to make one unit. So fresh out of the projector welder, you'll see it on its way to the wet test tank, which is where it will be pressure tested to ensure integrity prior to its painting. Once the radiator has been tested, it's now moved on to the paint process, and this goes via the paint line loader. What you're seeing now is the radiator receiving its second coat of paint. It enters the powder booth, applies the coat, and it's then baked on to produce a gloss finish. So now the paint process is complete. The radiators leave the booth and they're on their way to the inspection area. They've now reached the unloader, who removes the protective bungs and unloads the products ahead of the packaging process. So the radiator has finally reached the end of its manufacturing process, where it's now being packaged, ready to head over to the National Distribution Centre. Head to our profile to find the video of the National Distribution Centre. Super impressive and exactly what you'd expect from a market leader.